Howdy, everybody. Some questions come up periodically when we're dealing with merge files, and specifically with the data file that is associated with Word. You can use different data files for merge data. You can use a Microsoft Access database, which is what Word will create if you add the data through Word, or you can use a simple Excel file. Either way, when you're turning in assignments to me, there are times we don't ask for the data file. So the assignment that we have coming up dealing with merges, we will not ask for the data file. We're going to ask for the original document with the merge fields, and then we're going to ask for the completed merge. So we're not asking for the data file. So one of the questions that comes up is, if you're not sending me the data file, how can we validate that those merge fields exist? Well, through the magic of Word, I can use any data file that I want as long as it closely matches the data that the file will be. So I just have a test file here. It is an older merge document that we used in a previous class. And basically what I'm going to show you is the error message that will come up and how to deal with that message, because I deal with it all the time when I'm grading papers. So double click on it. It's going to give a message that says, opening this following document will run the SQL command. By the way, that's SQL, stands for Structured Query Language, for all those people who are super, super interested in wanting to know what that means. So it just means it's a database, SQL. That's how we pronounce it. And it's telling you, it's asking, this is the command that's going to use to find information. It says data from your database will be placed in the document. Do you want to continue? Yeah, I want to continue. And then it's going to ask me, where is the data? So for me, I just have a couple set data sources that I can use. And this is from a previous class. I can select this one, click open. All right. Apparently I did do it right. There we go. Okay. So I might have clicked on the wrong one. So there we go. It opened up this Word document. You can see that I have merge fields here. That's how we validate the merge fields. I can also do an Alt F9, and that shows me a little bit more. So Alt F9 kind of shows me the background of things. And then if I go to the mailings and I want to preview it, it's going to pull in information from my data source, and it'll ask me to map that information. So I'm just going to say yes to everything. It messed up a little bit because I'm just going through really fast, but to get the gist of it, I'm able to see the merge fields, which is the important part. That's what we really want to see, and I'm able to add data to that. So don't worry about sending in your database files. We'll take care of it on our end. Let me know if you have any questions about this assignment or any other assignments. I'm happy to help. Take care, everybody.